So when I started Voges Chocolate, the mission was really to make an exceptional chocolate experience by sourcing the best-in-class ingredients around the world. I recently took a trip to Kauai and I got the opportunity to dig my own turmeric out of the ground and my own ginger.
This is a turmeric root straight from the ground, fresh as can be. On our farm we have upwards of 200 to 300 pounds of turmeric and probably half of that of ginger.
So I wanted to bring the ginger and the turmeric into a classic dessert like tiramisu. I wanted to do something interesting with the cookie, kind of play off of a ginger snap. So I added ginger, of course, but also black pepper. And so it has a really interesting flavor that's unexpected but works really well with the turmeric. You want to make sure that the cookies cool completely because they're very fragile and can break easily. The extra low feature on the Thermador is such a gentle heat that you can actually melt chocolate directly on the burner. Chocolate is extremely fragile and hard to work with, so to have that feature for me is amazing. Making candied ginger or any fruit peel is one of the easiest things you can make. So I'm using the candied ginger as a topping onto the tempered chocolate disc. It adds a chewy, rich ginger taste. I wanted to pick fruit that related to Hawaii and the place of Kauai, and so I wanted to use the pineapple fruit, but I wanted a crunch, so I chose the green Granny Smith apple and lime zest to just brighten the entire dish. This would be such a fun dessert for a dinner party because the act of cracking the chocolate at the top is great theater and fun for all the guests. Moments worth living are moments worth sharing. Share your exceptional culinary moment with Thermador.